Hello, Miss Thinker here, your daily source for mind-blowing facts, forgotten history, and powerful motivation. Today, I will talk about the Diamond Planet. What if somewhere in space? There is a world where the ground beneath your feet ice into rock or soil, but diamond? Not tiny gems, not crystals, entire mountains made of it. It sounds impossible. But scientists believe such a planet may actually exist. The universe is filled with bizarre and mind-blowing planets, worlds made of lava, ice, metal, and even glass rain. But one of the most shocking discoveries is a distant planet astronomers think could be composed largely of diamond. Today we'll explore how this planet formed, why scientists believe it exists, what it looks like, and what it tells us about the strange possibilities hiding in space. The planet believed to be diamond-rich is called 55 Cancri e, located about 40 light-years away. It's known as a super-Earth, meaning it's bigger and heavier than our planet, but still rocky rather than gaseous. It's about twice Earth's size, yet 8 times heavier. That means it's incredibly dense. When scientists calculated its density, they realized something surprising. It couldn't just be made of normal rock. So they asked a bold question: what if this planet is made mostly of carbon? Scientists studied the star this planet orbits and found it contains unusually high carbon levels. Planets form from leftover material around newborn stars. If a star is carbon-rich, its planets might be too. Under extreme pressure and temperature, carbon atoms compress into diamond structures. On Earth, diamonds form deep underground under intense pressure. But inside a massive planet like this, pressure could be millions of times stronger than Earth's interior. Computer simulations by researchers, including teams collaborating with NASA and the European Space Agency, suggest that huge layers of the planet's interior could have crystallized into diamond. Some estimates say as much as 1/3 of the planet's mass could be diamond. Before you imagine becoming rich mining it, here's the reality. This planet is one of the hottest worlds ever discovered. It orbits extremely close to its star, so close that a year there lasts only about 18 hours. Because of that, surface temperatures can reach over 20 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt iron. One side permanently faces its star, meaning it's always daytime there. The other side is locked in endless night. Scientists think parts of its surface may even be covered in oceans of molten lava, so yes, it might be full of diamonds. But it's definitely not habitable. Our solar system formed from a cloud rich in oxygen, which is why Earth is made mostly of silicate rocks. But other star systems can form with completely different chemistry. If a system has more carbon than oxygen, planets there might be carbon worlds instead of rock worlds. That means instead of granite and quartz, they could have graphite crusts, carbide minerals, or diamond interiors. In other words, the recipe for planets isn't universal. Change the ingredients and you change the entire planet. The Diamond Planet isn't the only bizarre world astronomers have discovered. Take GJ 1214b, a water world completely covered by a global ocean. Its atmosphere is thick with steam, and the immense pressure could create exotic forms of ice, like hot ice or superfluid water. Or Kepler 51b, a super puff planet so light and airy it has the density of cotton candy. It's a young planet, and its low density is a puzzle that challenges our understanding of planetary formation. And then there's Kepler 16b, a real-life Tatooine that orbits 2 suns, giving it a double sunset. It's a cold, gaseous world, and its discovery proved that planets can form in binary star systems. There are planets where it rains molten glass sideways, the surface is entirely lava, the atmosphere is made of metal vapor, or the sky is permanently dark red. These discoveries show something incredible. Earth is not the standard planet, it's actually unusual. The universe is far more creative than we ever imagined. You might wonder how scientists know all this if the planet is so far away. Astronomers don't directly see most exoplanets. Instead, they detect tiny changes in starlight when a planet passes in front of its star. The most powerful tool is the transit method. Space telescopes like NASA's Kepler and TESS stare at thousands of stars, waiting for a tiny periodic dip in brightness. That dip is a planet passing in front of its star. Then there's the radial velocity method, or wobble method. A planet's gravity tugs on its star, causing it to wobble. Sensitive instruments on ground-based telescopes can detect this wobble, revealing the planet's mass. Telescopes like the Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope can then analyze the starlight passing through the planet's atmosphere. This reveals clues about its chemical makeup, temperature, and even whether it has clouds. The future of exoplanet hunting is even more exciting. The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, launching in the mid-2020s, will discover thousands of new worlds, expanding our census of the galaxy. And looking further ahead, NASA is developing the Habitable Worlds Observatory. This next-generation telescope will be designed specifically to directly image Earth-like planets around Sun-like stars and search their atmospheres for signs of life. These missions will bring us closer than ever to answering one of humanity's oldest questions: are we alone in the universe? The first confirmed exoplanet orbiting a Sun-like star was 51 Pegasi b, discovered in 1995. Its existence shocked astronomers. It was a gas giant, half the mass of Jupiter, but it orbited its star in just 4 days. This hot Jupiter defied all theories of planet formation at the time. Then there's the incredible story of the TRAPPIST-1 system. In 2017, astronomers announced the discovery of 7 Earth-sized planets orbiting a single tiny star. What's more, 3 of them are in the habitable zone, making it a prime target in the search for life. These discoveries, and thousands more like them, have transformed our understanding of the universe. They've shown us that planets are common, that they come in a wild variety of sizes and types, and that the search for another Earth is one of the most exciting frontiers in science. By measuring brightness dips, gravity effects, and orbital speed, they can estimate size, mass, density, possible composition. But 55 Cancri is more than just a diamond planet. It's a world of active scientific debate. One of the biggest mysteries is its atmosphere. Given the intense heat and radiation, it should have been stripped away long ago. Yet recent observations from the James Webb Space Telescope suggested a substantial secondary atmosphere. How is this possible? One leading theory is that the planet's molten surface is constantly outgassing, releasing a new atmosphere of carbon dioxide and other volatile gases, which is then held in place by the planet's strong gravity. It's a world that is literally regenerating its own air. Another puzzle is the planet's extreme temperature swings. Observations show massive, unpredictable variations in its thermal glow. Some scientists believe this could be caused by a feedback loop between the magma ocean and silicate clouds. As the surface heats, it vaporizes rock, forming clouds that then block the starlight, causing the surface to cool and the clouds to dissipate, starting the cycle all over again. It's a form of extreme weather on a planetary scale. It's like solving a mystery using only shadows and clues. Future telescopes will be even more powerful and may eventually confirm whether this world truly is a giant cosmic diamond. The idea of a diamond planet isn't just cool, it changes science. It proves that planets across the galaxy can be wildly different from anything in our solar system. Some may be made of materials we rarely see on Earth. Others might have exotic chemistry we don't yet understand. Every strange planet discovered expands our knowledge of physics, chemistry, and planetary formation. It reminds us of something important. We don't live in a typical universe. We live in a surprising one. So somewhere out there, orbiting a distant star, there may be a world where mountains sparkle, valleys shine, and the ground itself could be diamond. A planet that sounds like fantasy, yet may actually be real. And if the universe can create something like that, imagine what else is still waiting to be discovered. If you love mind-blowing facts, forgotten history, and powerful motivation, this channel is for you. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell.